Magandang araw, and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng reaction video tungkol kay Angel Abiliar. So ayan, isang Pinay na sobrang galing kumanta. So pakikinggan natin ngayon yung Always Remember Us This Way by Lady Gaga. So yung cover niya, so umabot na po siya ng 1.6 million views sa YouTube. So, sa pagkakaalam ko guys is, si Angel is from Bohol, Philippines. Tama ba? Bohol, Philippines.
Bohol, Philippines.
Anyway, my name is Jojo Lim and
Chloe May Kaylin.
Chloe May Kaylin, complete name. So, manonood tayo ng kanta. Okay? Yeah, okay. So, let's go.
So when I'm all tired, I can't find the words. Every time I say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down, and the ground won't believe.
And take note guys, nasa videokihan lang siya. Ano lang siya, hindi talaga siya yung recording studio, pero sobrang ganda ng boses niya, sobrang linis ng pagkakanta niya.
Always remember us this way. Love was in the night, always running around. We don't know how to round the town we try. But all I already know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me is you, will never die. So when I'm all choked up, I can't find the words. Every time.
So dito sa Pilipinas guys, halos lahat ng bahay may karaoke po yan.
When the sun goes down and the wind won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby.
Kasing sarap ng boses niya. So yun nga guys, is nasaksihan natin yung boses ni Miss Angel Abiliar na taga Bohol. So alam niyo ba guys, 16 or 17 or 18 years old lang po siya at kasalukuyan po siya nag-aaral pa lamang. So yung boses niya guys, napakasarap pakinggan ngayon. And sobrang nakakagaan ng feelings pag narinig mo yung boses niya. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and
Like,
and
comment, and share.
Comment and share. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hello.